So first things first, as always, we're going to light the forge. I'm going to move these two pieces here so I can set that right there. Ha. First try, right? All right. If ever you hear a gas forge puffing like that, make sure you immediately turn it off. You can try or to light it again, but if it's puffing like that, then there is always a chance that it is going to back up into the hose and like that flame and cause lots of problems. So we're going to try this again. Haha, that is so much better. I can live with that. Okay. And now we're going to put our steel in there so it can heat up.